If you can take a really crummy experience and make it one of the best experiences ever, this would be it. I bought my daughter a Crosstrek Subaru about a year ago, and in this past September, it was stolen. I made the claim to the police, and while I was waiting, I decided to drive up the street to the Subaru at the Dominion because I didn't know what else to do. I was greeted by Sam and Dylan, who were at the front desk. In a panic, I came to them and said, my daughter's Subaru was stolen. They guided me every step of the way. It was almost like they were at a control center. They were like Starlink. They were saying all these different things, right? They immediately took action and walked me through every step of the way, kept me calm. When the police officer finally arrived, we were able to make a claim. And then Starlink got on the phone with the police officer. He was showing me that they were locating where the vehicle was. And I just couldn't believe it. Starlink was able to dismantle the vehicle so they could not drive it any further. And as soon as that took place, the police officer said, you can follow me to the location. Here's the address, and we can go and get your daughter's vehicle back. Sam and Dylan and Emily got a courtesy vehicle and drove up to the front of the dealership, and they said, let's go, we're gonna go with you, which actually was so comforting. And so they drove me to site. Once the vehicle was ready to be driven home, I actually drove it to the collision center because there was a little bit of damage, of course, but minimal damage. We were able to retrieve the car, and that was a huge blessing. That was the best experience ever. I would highly recommend North Park Subaru Dominion. They have the highest level of customer service, and I am so grateful that I purchased my daughter's vehicle from here.